One, two, three, four.
Took a walk down Ocean Street, made a left on Woodlawn. With salt and sand beneath my feet. I haven't been back here in so long. Cause there's a place we used to meet, down by where the smaller boats dock. We used to talk about our dreams, but now those dreams are all but gone. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I said I won't be happy till I'm gone. And she tells her dad I'm looking for a real job. She tells her friends I'm everything that I'm not. She tells herself all the things I'm gonna be. Like strong, I won't be happy till I'm gone. This year September came again, and I always know when it does, cause that's when I have to roll. I swore we'd keep in touch as friends, and just then a tear fell from her nose. She said, I know that you won't call, but promise me that now and then you will look up at our star. And if that star should ever fall, then I know just where you are. And she tells her dad I'm looking for a real job. She tells her friends I'm everything that I'm not. She tells herself all the things I'm gonna be. Like strong, I won't be happy till I'm gone. She tells her friends I'm everything that I'm not. She tells herself all the things I'm gonna be. Like strong, I won't be happy till I'm gone. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, said I won't be happy till I'm gone.
Quality time with Chris and Jen.